Hey there, Sanko, everybody. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome back for another video. The weather's getting better, and so I'm getting better. It's getting a little bit warmer in Canada, so okay. Now, what's this video about? This video is about if you're starting as an investor or a trader. Okay, my first recommendation is, and this is coming from somebody that's been doing trading for so many years, and when I mean so many, I mean like 5 6 years, but that's not so many years, but I'm just saying for my age it's enough years. um my first recommendation is do not listen to people online like myself, like TikTokers and stuff like that. You may be able to listen to me because I have some experience, but if somebody's telling you to invest in a meme based stock, that man needs to understand what's going on with life, because what that is, it's called a pump and dump and stuff like that. So know where you're getting your research from and where you're getting your filters from, where that knowledge comes from, because especially in the finance world there's a lot of knowledge and a lot of information just coming at you. You need to make sure you follow the one that suits you, your personality, your risk analysis, your risk profile, your financial situation, everything. So that's why I would say you do not go in money right away. You need to go on Investopedia. You need to make a paper trading account. Paper trading accounts are just, you're trading with an actual market but with fake money. So it's replicated the actual market, but your money will not have an effect on the market, and neither will you make any actual gains, actual money. You'll just, like, it'll just replicate the market. So your account will make money, but it's not actual financial gains for you to use. You'll see profits on your online paper trading charts, and you'll be like, oh amazing, I made like 10 20% on a stock and stuff like that. But that's how you're gonna learn, and that's how I learned. I did that for about 1 year, and thankfully it was in school, so we did it for a course, and it was a competition. I think I placed like second or something like that. And at that point I realized that there's certain aspects that go into financial research, and that's how you go into a successful process of deciding which stocks work and which stocks don't work. And that this works with any form of investments in trading, so stocks, crypto, real estate, XYZ. So a lot of analysis goes behind it. So one, get yourself started on Investopedia. MarketWatch, there's a lot of different types of paper trading accounts that can be made. I may even link something in the description below, which you guys can go and just quickly make a paper trading account and start just trading fake money to understand how the market works. Because I know so many people who have gone into the market and they've lost a lot of money because they didn't know what they were doing, and it was like, for them, they were like gambling. And so then they're like lost a lot of money, and they've been out of the markets, and they hate the markets. And you know what that's gonna do? When their kids want to go into the market, stock market and stuff like that, and they want to trade and invest, they're gonna be like, oh, this is gambling, it's haram, stay away. And this is what's happening with a lot of the uncles, and this is the reason why uncles don't want you to get into the market, and your parents don't want you to get into the markets, because there's not analytics behind what they're doing. They just, oh, in the news it said it'll go up, and they just put all their money in there. There's a lot of issues with that. So first, make a paper trading account. That's all this video is about. Make a paper trading account. Very important. Very, very important. This is the first step of learning how to trade. Make a paper trading account. I haven't told you to go get courses. I haven't told you to do anything else. I'm just telling you, go get a paper trading account. After you get the paper trading account, then inshallah we'll talk about that in step two. But once you make the paper trading account and you started trading, good. This is good. Start seeing how certain investments, certain money fluctuations, volatility affects you as a person. You can do online tests and all that, profile tests and examination, to understand what your risk profile is. That's great. You do them. I recommend do them. But I don't think you're gonna get the same vibe and same feeling until you actually put your even if it's fake money, you'll still get this anxiety attack once stock crashes for no reason. You're like, I don't know what's going on. The research was good. The thing was good, right? So this will help you understand yourself. It's very important. I think even if you don't go into investment stuff, this will help you understand who you are with money. That's very important to know for your long-term success, right? That's why it says think along, grow rich. You gotta grow rich. Um, so yeah, make that paper trading account. I'll link something in the description below. Use that link, and then start an account. I may even start a challenge in the upcoming few months, where all you guys can join my challenge, and we can all do paper trading for fun, and we can go super volatile there because it'll be for fun. Obviously don't do that with your own profile. If it works for you, it works for you. So make that paper trading account. Start doing basic research on how to trade and all that stuff. That's all I'm gonna say. Once the time for the courses come, I will tell you guys what type of courses you want. There's a lot of free stuff on YouTube, so that's where I would recommend to get started first with the paper trading. But let's not get into that. We'll go into part two. I'll show you all that stuff in part two. But part one, go make yourself a paper trading account. In the meantime, subscribe to the channel, share this with a friend of yours, like this video, hit the bell notification icon, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this. If you guys are watching my videos, tell me what you guys think. I think it's important. Let's have this communication. Also, share this with a brother or sister who's been talking to you and about investing in stocks and just been thinking about it. There's a halal way of going about it, and inshallah I'll be able to teach this, and if they come to my channel they'll be able to see that stuff too. They can watch my other videos about what's permissible and what's not permissible. But if they've been thinking about just starting, send this to them. I think very important that you send this to them, because if they do it the right way, they do it the permissible way, then inshallah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you ajr, will give me ajr too. So send this to them. If they just if it's not even a Muslim necessarily, if it's just somebody that just wants to get started, send this to them and let them know that they should start with paper trading, because that's much more important than just jumping into the market. And if you're scared that you're going to lose out on an opportunity because you're not jumping into the market, just know this. A big time investor once said, opportunities are like a bus. One comes and one goes, and you're at the bus stop. You just gotta take the right one and you go. So but you don't want to get into one that you don't understand. So let's do this the right way. Also, I do have a form in the description below. Check that form out, fill it out. It's about what type of material you guys want to see. If you guys want a list of XYZ, if you want a sample of my cover letter, a sample of my resume, you can get that all from that form below. Also, go check out my content on TikTok and Instagram and all these other places, because I'll be sharing a lot more content there. Other than that, take care of yourself. Have an amazing day. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye-bye. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam. Bye.